welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog, we gonna make a new tech vlog for today. So we've got a new, item. This is also pop up on my Walmart app, and it is not on Black Friday sale, right? But this is a big deal also, right? So even though it is not a it even though this item is not on a Black Friday sale, so but still worth it for the price of it. So okay, so here it goes, guys. We've got this Vivitar Popcam digital camcorder, right? So yes, we've got some right here with a full HD of 1080 pixels. We got some 16 types of zoom and also 48 megapixels, right? So we got some 3-inch screen, which is really bigger one. All right, so yes, you can see add some features up the back. So before we're gonna unbox this one, so the contents of this one is the digital camcorder, which one right here, with also a USB cable and also a user manual. So features for this one, we've got a 3-inch screen, 48 megapixel, 16 times digital zoom, 1080 pixels resolution, micro SD card compatible, and we got also a built-in memory for this one. If you want to input inside of the internal memory of this digital camcorder, right? So okay, without further ado, let's go gonna unbox this thing up. All right. So all right, here we go. So okay, so I'm gonna get some scissors for me to open this one. All right, so okay, here we goes. Let's gonna open this one right over here, and then I'm gonna have to open also right this over here. Have to take this off. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, I see something right here. Okay, all right, so we've got a strap and we've got the cable right over here, and also got the manual right over there. So we're gonna have to put that one over there. We're gonna have to put that one. So okay, it's a USB type C. Okay, we've got this one right over here as the strap, right? So that you can have to put it just like that one, right? So all right, nice. Okay, we've got some over here. Let's go gonna check some. We got some Vivitar. Okay, we've got the right over here with the USB. Okay, let's go gonna check that out for the USB. Okay, here we go. So we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack. We've got the USB Type-C charging port. Alright, so yeah, and we're gonna put the micro SD card. Okay, gonna have to put it on right over here. Just put that right here, I think. How to open this one? Okay, how to open this one? Alright, okay. That was okay, here it goes. So this one right over here is to open this one. Okay, let's go. There you go. Yeah, micro SD. Okay, so not yet gonna be putting the micro SD, right? So since this unboxing and a testing, right? So since it has an internal memory, so how much is the internal memory for this one? Okay, let's go. Gonna have to turn it on. Okay, there you go. Oh, nice. Okay, that's a big one, right? Yeah, this is a bigger screen, right? It's a bigger screen and a nice. Ooh, all right, nice. I like this one. So how to check this one right over here? This go gonna have to put some mode. No card. Okay, because it's no card. I think it's mode 1, right? It's the mode. Okay. Okay, so and it's also we've got the zoom right over here. Yeah. 16 times zoom. Yeah, 16 times zoom. And then yeah, back to the normal. We've got some pop snap over here for the camera, right? Camera and you know, okay, we've got some features right over here. Let's go check that one right over here. And yeah. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, perfect. This is what I'm looking for, right? So the other one is upside down when I am recording, right? So I think this is good for recording videos, I think. So I think in the near future this is gonna be my vlogging camera, right? So this is a good one also, right? Nice. Okay, perfect. But there's no card, right? I'm gonna have to put that one right over here. Look at that. Yeah. Hello. Right, so yeah, here it goes. Nice. I really like it. So since it can be put a microphone in here, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. So we got there you go, there's the menu right over there. Okay, I see. We got some resolution. We've got the 1080 pixels. Okay, cyclic record, EV, white balance, audio on, date label, mode, okay, date label. I'm gonna have to date and time. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn that. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, let's go back. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I disable the date and time. All right, so nice, perfect, and it's also a really nice one also, right? So lights, we got some lights. Okay, oh okay, there you go. Lights, camera action, right? And it's also we got some display. What is the display? Okay. Off display and it on display that code to run right over there. Oh, okay. We've got the menu, right? So let's go back to the menu. What is this one? So we got the night vision, time setting, auto power off, screensaver sounds, language, and default version, right? So sound. Beep. Okay, gonna have to turn off that beep. Okay. Okay. Alright, there you go. Right? Have to turn off that off. Okay. And then go back. Yeah, nice, perfect, and I really like it. Right? So there's gonna be a follow-up video for this one. Okay, there's gonna be a follow-up video for this one. So yeah, if you want to check some, yeah, if you want to check this, I think this is not gonna be your fall out from the, you know, right? So this is not gonna be, yeah, you gonna have to turn it off. All right, Vivitar, look at that. So and a really nice camcorder, right? Perfect. And it's also I like it a lot. So I'm gonna have to find a microphone. So since it can be put some microphone in here, let's go gonna check it out. Okay, yes, right over here. So we've got the microphone right over here. So I also, yeah, and then in which you can put this one right over here. Right, so this one right over here, in which have to put it like that one, right? So perfect, nice. Okay, this is a good one for you to have it. So we've got the full operating, yeah, camcorder for my vlogging setup, right? Nice, perfect. So watch out for it, is because I'm gonna make a video, I'm gonna make a follow-up video for this one for the review, right? So is it worth it? Alright, so that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So all right. So yes, that's it. Yeah, and here it goes. We got the fully fully uh vlog vlogging camcorder, and which is also it has a microphone. I have this microphone for just a long time, right? And it's also a good one if you want to have this also. Yeah, perfect. And also I really like it also, right? So watch out for the and for the review for this one, right? Watch out for the review. So I'm gonna make a review for this one. So okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. All right.